Hey there, creative friends. There's a special kind of magic in the air when autumn arrives, isn't there? The crisp air, the cozy sweaters, and the stunning colors all beg to be remembered. Today we're diving into some easy and beautiful fall scrapbook ideas designed specifically for beginners. We're going to transform your cherished autumn photos and memories into a beautiful keepsake you'll treasure for years. This is the perfect way to capture those cozy autumn memories without feeling overwhelmed or needing a mountain of supplies. We'll walk through everything step by step so you can relax, have fun, and let your creativity flow. First, let's talk color. Fall is all about warm, inviting tones. I recommend starting with a palette of burnt orange, deep reds, mustard yellows, and earthy browns. These colors instantly evoke that cozy fall feeling. A great tip is to pull colors directly from your main photograph. Look at the shades in the changing leaves, the color of your pumpkin spice latte, or the plaid of your favorite scarf, and choose papers that match. This simple trick ensures your entire page feels harmonious and professionally designed. Now, for layouts. One of the easiest and most effective methods is the grid layout. It creates a clean, organized look that's very pleasing to the eye. Start by trimming your photos into squares or rectangles of the same size. Arrange them on your page, leaving a small, consistent space between each one. You can then frame the entire collection with fall-themed washi tape, or even thin strips of coordinating paper to tie it all together. It's a simple formula that always looks fantastic. If you prefer a more organic feel, try the layered collage style. This approach is all about building depth and texture. Start with a base piece of patterned paper. Place your main photo, perhaps at a slight angle. Then begin tucking other elements around it. Mix in pressed leaves, smaller pieces of patterned papers, and journaling tags. The key is to overlap your elements slightly, creating an artsy, dimensional vibe that draws the viewer in. You might think you need a whole craft store to start, but beginners don't need fancy tools. To begin, just grab some scrapbook paper, seasonal stickers, scissors, and good quality glue. I recommend having both a glue stick for flat papers and some foam dots or double-sided foam tape. These little dots will lift elements off the page, adding instant dimension and a professional touch. And don't forget, natural touches like dried leaves or small flat twigs add a serious wow factor for free. Personal touches are what truly make your scrapbook shine and turn it from a photo album into a storybook. Adding handwritten notes about your fall adventures infuses the page with emotion and meaning. Don't just write the date. Jot down what you were feeling, a funny quote from the day, or the smell of cinnamon in the air. These details are the heart of the memory. You can also include things like ticket stubs from a corn maze or a tag from a new sweater. Here's a bonus tip for you. Don't stress about perfection. Your scrapbook is a reflection of your personal creativity, not a contest. If you're feeling stuck, try sketching a quick plan on a piece of scrap paper before you commit with glue. This can help you visualize the final layout and experiment without pressure. Remember, the goal is to enjoy the process of creating. If you enjoyed this guide and are feeling inspired to start your own fall scrapbook, please hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tutorials. I would be absolutely thrilled to see what you make, so please share your creations on social media using the hashtag #CozyCrafting. And for those ready to try a little more, here are a few fun ideas. Try using fabric scraps like burlap or flannel to add amazing texture. Use stamps with metallic ink to add a touch of elegance. You can also create little pockets from vellum or patterned paper to hold hidden notes or tiny keepsakes. The possibilities are endless, so mix textures, experiment with layering, and have fun creating your unique pages.